Hello, family. A simple technique that I'm going to share with you today is how to know the truth of something. So, let's say that you're starting working with you. If you are um, having doubt about something, okay, you take your two fingers. First, you take two fingers like this. You can take your thumb and your um, yeah, two fingers. So sorry for that. My English is kind of weird today. So you have two fingers there, and then you take the same form here in this other hand, and then you merge them like this, okay? And then as you do this, you feel like there is some pressure here, right? Okay, so if you ask something important that you know for yourself, just for a test, like you say like your name, okay, I'm Gabi. Okay, and then it's strong, it's strong because it's true. And if I say something that's not true for myself, let's say that I'm a child, it's not so strong. You feel like naturally it's not strong. Of course, I'm not focusing on the muscles when I'm thinking. I'm only focusing on what I'm thinking, okay? And I'm just doing this automatically because I'm allowing what I'm thinking to come and materialize as a physical reaction in my body, because that's the natural thing that happens when we are thinking about something. There is a muscle reaction that's happening in our systems, and that's where we can see the truth or the lies in people, but also in ourselves. So that's an easy way in Chinese theology that we can identify truth or false. The more you grow into this, the more you're going to realize that you can use other of these techniques for identifying other people's uh, lies or truths. And I'm going to teach you that in depth in the EMC2. And you can listen to the EMC2 already and enroll yourself in it right now for 90% off. If you would like to learn more, go to my page gabigal.com, gabigal.com. It's a full program of body awareness, and I'm also teaching you how to level up your intuition to identify hidden information but also causes of imbalances. So it's a program that I was selling for about 3,000. Now I'm giving you almost away for you for less than $100. And if you enroll in the program now, I wish you much love in your life and look forward to connect with you. Just make sure as well to save my free music playlist. All of the links are on my page, gabigal.com, gabigal.com. Much love to you. Bye.